The first step of receiving the machine is to check whether the appearance of the machine is complete, whether any parts fall off. Second step, install the battery. Charging the battery. Before installing the battery, it takes about an hour to full charge. When it's full charge, the light will turn green. Press the button to install the battery. If the battery power is low, it can be connected to an external power supply. This adapter is suitable for 110 voltage and 220 voltage. The black switch is the power switch. Turn on the power switch to start the machine. Double-click the screen to enter the software interface. Click Set to enter the password 666666 and enter into the parameter interface to modify the language. You can choose your language. Turn off the power switch. Then turn on. Add text. Here can modify the content. Here can change the size of the content. Import a picture. Need PLT format. Insert U-disk with the machine. Insert the U-disk. It will remind U-disk is mounted successfully. Click Set. Click Picture. Click U-disk in. Choose the picture. Click Import. Then click Add Picture. Find the picture. Change the size. This is the button for magnet. Turn off. Turn on. Here to adjust the engraving force. To increase clockwise and decrease counterclockwise.
The optimal distance between the needle and the object in contact is 0.30.5 mm.